In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create an in-the-hoop reindeer applique mug rug, perfect for your holiday drinks or wall decorations. Let's get started. For this project, we're gonna use a 5x7 hoop. We're gonna use one piece of batting, 7.5 inches by 5.5 inches. For the front fabric, we're gonna use one piece of 7.5 inches by 5.5 inches. For the border fabric, we're gonna use one piece of 7.5 inches by 5.5 inches. And for the back fabric, we're gonna need two pieces of 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches. For the reindeer, I will be using tackle twill. For the ear fabric, I'm gonna be using one piece of 3 inches by 2 inches. For the antler fabric, I will be using one piece of 3 inches by 2 inches. For the head fabric, I'm gonna use one piece of 2 1/4 by 1.5 inches and one piece of 2.5 by 2.5 inches. And for the nose, we're just gonna use a 1.5 by 1.5 piece of fabric. We're gonna use a no-show mesh for our stabilizer. We'll be using fabric scissors as well as double curved applique scissors. We're gonna use some tape, a point turner or a chopstick, and some ribbon. Let's get started. Step 1 is to hoop your no-show mesh stabilizer, and we're gonna stitch the mug rug placement line. As always, make sure that your stabilizer is taut and feels like a drum. Let's take this onto the embroidery machine. Now that we stitched the placement line, let's place the batting over the placement area. And we're gonna secure it with tape so we can stitch the tack down line. Let's take this onto the embroidery machine to stitch the tack down line. Now we're gonna trim the excess batting close to the tack down line. Now we're gonna lay the front fabric over the batting and secure it with tape. We're gonna stitch the tack down line, quilted background, and placement lines for the antlers, ears, and head pieces. We're gonna lay the fabric for the ears over the placement lines and secure it with tape. Then, stitch the tack down line. We're gonna trim the fabric close to the stitching. Now we're gonna stitch the blanket stitch around the ears. So take it back to your embroidery machine. Next, we're gonna do the antlers. So grab your fabric for the antlers and place over the placement lines, and let's tape them down. Bring this to your embroidery machine to stitch the tack down line. Carefully trim the excess fabric around the tack down stitch. Now let's embroider the blanket stitch around the antlers. Now we're gonna do the head fabric. So lay the top head fabric over the placement line and tape it in place. Now we can stitch the tack down line. Trim outside of the tack down stitch. And bring back to your machine to embroider the blanket stitch around the top of the head. Now we're gonna lay the bottom head fabric and tape it in place. Stitch out the tack down line. Trim the excess fabric around the tack down line. Now we're gonna finish with a blanket stitch, and the machine will also stitch the eyes and the mouth. Now we're gonna lay the nose fabric over the placement and secure with tape. And embroider the tack down stitch. Let's trim around that excess fabric. And let's finish the reindeer with a blanket stitch. We're also going to stitch the word joy or insert your personalized text at this point. Alright, we now have the word joy as well as the reindeer. We're gonna grab our border fabric. We're gonna make a small slit in the center of the border fabric, lay it over the project, and secure it with tape. We're gonna stitch down the tack down line. Alright, now that we have the tack down line, we're gonna carefully trim the inner portion of the border fabric close to the inside stitching line. Next, we're gonna stitch the satin border and the decorative motif. Now we have the satin stitch border and decorative motif. Optional, if you're adding a hanger, let's tape it in place now. Make sure it goes over the top placement stitch evenly on both sides. And we're gonna grab both of the back fabric pieces. We're gonna fold them in half, place them over the project, and you want to make sure that they're overlapping slightly at the center. Let's secure this with tape and stitch the final tack down. Now we have our embroidery done. Let's remove it from the hoop, and we have to trim around the edges. While we're cutting, we want to leave a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And we're gonna cut the corners diagonally to reduce the bulk. Turn the mug rug right side out through the back opening. And use a point turner or chopsticks to push out the corners carefully. And that's it. Your festive reindeer mug rug is ready for hot cocoa, cookies, or cozy gifting. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy holidays. Catch you guys in the next tutorial.